Create 3 folders in your Obsidian vault. Name them Objectives, Key Results, and Reviews. That single action gives you the entire filing system for a complete OKR tracker, one that replaces spreadsheets and scattered documents with a connected, searchable goal management hub inside Obsidian. The Objectives folder holds your big picture goals and desired outcomes. The Key Results folder stores the measurable indicators of success, and the Reviews folder captures your regular progress check-ins and evaluations. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's build this system note by note. Inside the Objectives folder, create a note called OKR Dashboard. This becomes your central command center, the single page you open each day to see what matters most. Paste in a structure that starts with a level 1 heading for the dashboard title, then a level 2 heading for current OKRs, followed by Objective Overview with fields for the objective name, its purpose, time period, owner, and status. Below that, add a numbered list for 3 key results, a section for related projects, and finally a space for progress updates. This dashboard gives you instant visibility into what goals are active, who owns them, what results need to be achieved, and where you stand right now. Now create individual objective notes inside the Objectives folder, one for each major goal. Keep each note focused on a single objectives so you never mix information between different initiatives. In each note, document the purpose of the goal, why it matters, the expected outcomes, the related key results, and any supporting projects. This separation is what makes the system scale. When you have 5 or 10 objectives running at once, each lives in its own dedicated space where you can add detail without cluttering the dashboard. Switch to the Key Results folder and create a note called Key Result Tracker. This note mirrors the dashboard but focuses specifically on measurement. Structure it with a heading for active key results, then fields for the key result name, its related objective, the target number, current progress, and status. Add a section for action items and a notes area. The key result tracker answers the daily question, am I on track? It shows current measurements against targets, highlights what needs attention, and lists the next actions required to move the needle. As your system grows, organize these key results by objective, department, time period, priority, or status, whatever makes the most sense for your workflow. Use Obsidian's internal link syntax, double square brackets, to connect each key result directly back to its parent objective note. Move to the Reviews folder and create a note called OKR Review. This is where the system gains long-term value. Structure it with a review period section showing the date, then an objective review section with fields for progress, achievements, and challenges. Add an adjustments section, next actions, and notes. Regular reviews, weekly, monthly, quarterly, transform your tracker from a static document into an active planning tool. They force you to confront what's working, what isn't, and what needs to change before the quarter ends. Now connect everything with internal links. Click into your OKR dashboard and link each objective name to its dedicated note in the Objectives folder. In each objective note, link to the relevant key result in the Key Results folder. In the Key Result Tracker, link back to the objective and forward to the latest review note. This creates a web of connected information where you can click from the high-level dashboard down to the specific measurement and the most recent evaluation, all without leaving Obsidian. You've essentially built a mini database where every piece of goal information is a click away. Add properties to any note by using the Properties section at the top. For each objective note, add properties like goal period, objective owner, status, progress percentage, priority, and department. Properties let you sort, filter, and query your notes using Obsidian's built-in tools or community plugins. They're especially powerful when you have multiple people or multiple quarters of data. You can instantly see all objectives with a status of behind, or filter to show only this quarter's goals. Tags provide another layer of organization. Add tags like #quarterly OKR, #business goal, #team objective, #personal goal, #growth, or #operations to the bottom of any note. Tags cut across folders so you can find every operational objective regardless of which folder it lives in or which quarter it belongs to. Use them sparingly. 3 to 5 consistent tags are more useful than 20 one-off labels. Establish a simple workflow. Start each cycle by defining your objectives in the OKR dashboard, then create measurable key results that support each objective. Update progress weekly using the Key Result Tracker, And at the end of the month or quarter, open the OKR review note to document what happened and what to adjust. This creates a continuous loop of setting goals, measuring results, reviewing performance, and improving. You never lose track of where you are because the system forces a regular touch point. The real power here is connection. Instead of viewing goals as isolated tasks in a spreadsheet, you see how daily actions in your task lists and project notes contribute to larger outcomes. Your Obsidian Vault becomes a living planning system where objectives, measurements, and reviews are permanently linked. You can trace from a completed task all the way up to the quarterly objective it supported, and from the objective down to the progress review that captured the lessons learned. You now have a complete OKR tracker inside Obsidian built from just 3 folders and 3 notes. Use the dashboard as your daily checkpoint, the key result tracker as your weekly measurement tool, and the review note as your monthly reflection space. Save this video or bookmark the steps so you can revisit the templates whenever you set new goals. Happy tracking!